Hi, I'm Tang, I'm 25 years old and I love riding motorcycles. I'm sharing my story today to help men who are dealing with erectile dysfunction, also known as ED. Let me tell you about a treatment that helped me overcome ED and improve my sexual performance. About a year ago, I was involved in a motorcycle accident. A car pulled out in front of me and I couldn't stop in time. I woke up on the ground with an intense pain in my groin. Weeks later, the bruising healed, but my erections were weak, painful, and curved. I was terrified, and I knew I needed professional help. I searched online and found Dr. Vigor, a clinic that focuses on sexual health and treating erectile dysfunction. The specialist at this clinic diagnosed me with a type of ED called Peyronie's disease, which was caused by the scar tissue from the trauma. They recommended the Vigor shot and firm wave treatments. The Vigor shot was not painful at all. They drew blood from my arm, spun it in a centrifuge to create the hyper-PRP, then numbed my penis. The specialist then injected both sides of my penis with the hyper-PRP.
We've started, that was the first shot right there.
Oh yeah, I can't even feel that. Hyper-PRP is packed with growth factors. These growth factors stimulate the formation of new blood vessels which support stronger erections. They also healed and restored the targeted tissue, reducing the curvature and pain I felt with Peyronie's disease. The growth factors in the hyper-PRP also help generate new nerves, contributing to more intense sex. My results were great. I was able to get rock hard again, and my erections were 90% back to normal. There was no more pain and minimal curvature. Next up was the firm wave. This procedure uses painless shock waves to enhance blood flow and break down the scar tissue. I received 6 sessions, and each session was 20 minutes long. After the firm wave, my erections were fuller and harder. In fact, my penis even felt thicker when soft. I made a full recovery. My self-esteem was restored. My sexual performance improved dramatically, which boosted my confidence. I also experienced increased pleasure during sexual activity, making my intimate experiences far more fulfilling. The combination of the Vigor shot and firm wave treatments restored my sexual health to its prime.